Just over 2 months ago, I spoke with you in the same spot about the challenges facing our auto industry, and I laid out what needed to be done to save two of America's most storied automakers, General Motors and Chrysler. Keep ancient lands, your storied pomp. From here, these two lucky birds will be swept up in a whirlwind of fame and fortune that will ultimately lead them to Mount Vernon, where they will spend their twilight years in the storied home of George Washington. As you say farewell to Bancroft Hall, as you make your way down Stribling Walk one last time, you're becoming the newest link in a storied chain. With these two championships, this team has added another chapter to the storied legacy of players like Mays and McCovey and Perry. This city has a long and storied history, including its historic resistance and extraordinary sacrifices during the Second World War. Born in 1906, Rear Admiral Grace Murray Hopper followed her mother into mathematics, earned her PhD from Yale, and set out on a long and storied career.